This is my 2013 F-150. It is the 3.7 liter V6. I have a 3-inch lift kit on it. It has on some 33 Firestone Destination ATs. I also have dual exhaust on here. It has a Flowmaster Super 40 muffler. It is a dual in, dual out muffler. As you can see under here, here it is right there. It's dual in, dual out. Let me give you a look underneath the hood here. Then I'll give you an exhaust. As you can see, you got the nice Ducks Unlimited equipment in here. And there we got the 3.7 liter V6. I have the Powerade throttle body spacer right there installed. I got a K&N intake. And that's about it up here. All we got going on. Well, now let me give you a exhaust take of it, and should be it. Take y'all for a ride real quick. Windows are up right now. See guys, I have a mess over here in my road. It's getting widened. What the city of Texarkana do to you guys, but it's alright. Gotta get past this mess up here real quick.